Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest, and on today's episode, we're going to be upgrading the Rescue Ranger. Well, if you didn't know, the lights on this Rescue Ranger are terrible. Fortunately, I was able to get a light bar upgrade for it earlier, but I've been needing to upgrade these lights for a long time. Mostly because a few of them aren't even legal. And the other day when it was raining, there was actually some water dripping on the inside of the truck, which is well known for these backup overhead lights to leak. And it was just dripping down here when I was parked in the rain the other day. So I ordered a new one of these as well. So everything I'm using, I'll put a link to in the description. I actually found some of these cool indicator lights that are actually just red, yellow, and white. So theoretically, I could use those in the back without that yellow cover and I would be just fine. And that's because some of the lights that I got actually have, and that's because I didn't get OEM lights. I'll show you those in a second. The ones I'm most excited about are these 𝕮𝖆𝖓𝖓𝖊𝑑 headlights. These are supposed to be 300% brighter, and this is a great quality pair of headlights. This is the most important thing to upgrade whenever you upgrade your headlights, because these two bulbs right here are what are actually gonna help me see at night. So I'll show you a comparison tonight. I have videos in the past of using my headlights when I put that light bar on, and I'll compare them to this. All right, so let's do some unboxing real quick. I'll show you those headlights, and let's look at these. I've ordered a bunch of different LED headlights in the past, and a lot of them look pretty ridiculous. Not only did they have a light that would fit my 94 Ranger, but they have great reviews and they look like one of the best quality lights that I saw. So I went ahead and got these. Let's go ahead and get it going. Okay, here's these little indicator LEDs. I picked this brand out for the small lights. Now when it comes to these small lights, if you look and see, I may need another pair of white ones, I'm not sure, but they've got yellow, white, and red. So that's pretty cool. They've got LEDs on the top there and the side. Another good looking pair of lights. Oh yeah, here's that nice new overhead light bar. I'm not quite sure what these are. Oh, the headlights just come in a few different pieces. I was wondering why there was 3 boxes. Oh man, there's our nice corner light there. This is gonna look nice. Ooh, these are heavy. Ooh, these are nice. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's gonna look good. There's the taillights. Boom, there you go. And this is gonna be fun. Usually I'm not too excited to work on my own car, but I'm hoping this takes about an hour, nothing more, and this is gonna look great when it's done. All right, just gotta start with one, so chose this one. There's the nasty old one, pretty quick. All right, here's the nice new one, same connector. I'm gonna pull the tape off of this foam on the back side just so it sticks to this. But this will waterproof it as well. Let's see if it works. Doesn't look like it. Oh yeah, that's on. Just couldn't see it from my angle. Sweet. Those little screws, yeah. Okay, so to take this light off, all I need to do is remove these two screws and these two screws. So that should be pretty quick. Let's get started. All right, there's the old one. Junk. All right, now we'll need a set of yellows, reds, and whites. All right, and this is specifically why I need colored indicators, because on my rear lights here, they're not painted yellow. They're just a little white section, so. Yeah, there we go. Clean. All right, there's the back. That looks awesome, and most importantly, it's legal. All right, now I'm ready to do the front up here. I'm not exactly sure what this bottom pokey thing is, because this top one here is actually threaded for a bolt, but these two are just sharp, and they're supposed to insert into that little thing and just hold their spot, I guess. But I've never actually taking one of those apart, so I think I'm probably gonna break it from experience, and I don't have a replacement for those little plastic clips to hold it there, so we'll see what happens. Oh, it's not a 10. Oh, what the heck. All right, 7/16, not 10mm. The wrong way. Now if I'm lucky, this will just slide out. Ouch. That's how you get cut. Looks like that bottom one's coming a little bit. Yeah, there it goes. Easy. Didn't break. Oh yeah. It's gonna be easier than I thought. Lovely. I got the right amount of light bulbs too. Okay, take out a few clips like that, and I think this can slide out now. Yep. Might have to take the grill off just to make this easier. The grill split? Oh yeah. I always thought it was broken, but it looks like I can take the grill off easy then. If I could go back here, I would just drill a little relief for that wire because I totally tore the wire trying to push it on like that, but it still works. All right, there's one side completely done, and I'll just update you when I get the other done. Okay, I got that other side in. These worked just fine, but these were actually a little too wide and I broke both of them trying to put them in. So I'm not gonna put the links for these ones in the description. If you wanna find these ones, you can look for them yourself. But since they break by themselves, I'm not gonna recommend them. Piece of junk. Okay. Glad that's over with. Let's wire up this relay. The thing about this kit too is it didn't come with instructions, so. Oh, it's just 2 powers and 2 grounds for that relay. One for the relay and one for the switch. That doesn't make much sense to me, but that's what that's all about. Put that in there just too big. I'm gonna trim these little wings off the bottom here. Those shouldn't be necessary since it locks right there. Fit in here now. Downwards. Enough. Why didn't they put that on here? All right, finally everything's wired up. I've got that wire run down to this light. These are plugged in too, right there. Everything up here, all I've got to do is put the little connector on up there, the switch, and see if it works. That looks nice. I'm super excited about that. Cool. I need to aim the headlights down a little bit more still. They're really bright. Oh yeah, they're coming off a bottom reflector. They're real nice. And I'll put those other little extra ones on.